Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome back. If you are new here, thank you so much for watching and for finding me. That's amazing. And please subscribe. That will help to my channel grow. Today I've got a parcel that I've been waiting for this parcel really long. I don't know, the delivery took over a week. For some reasons, I think that Mytheresa have a really high sale right now because there is a 50% off and you will get extra 20% off. That's wonderful sale. So for this, I paid less than 50% price. Outfit, of course, you will see on the side. Today I've got just the beautiful pinky rose blouse, which I just like it. I've got this top for a really long time. I've got the gloves. Today I've got asymmetric. I try to style new things and old things. I try to style something short with the long. So this is my idea, that you can wear the short glove on the one hand and the longer on the other hand. And of course the shorts. Shorts, I think they are really great for the summer, but also for any season. You can wear it all year round. That is gonna be really fantastic. And I've got my boots because I think that boots, knee-high boots or over-knee boots, they match wonderful with any shorts you will wear or skirt, but especially with the shorts, I love to wear knee-high boots and the over-knee boots. This outfit you can always finish with blazer. I've got this real leather blazer from Karen Milan. I think it is really great to finish outfit like this with any biker jacket or any loose fit jacket, but today I would like to wear a blazer just because we have to make a compare. Let's open it. I am so happy about this parcel, but I am not sure about the size because and then we have a yellow box. It is always a pure joy. It is size US 8, so it is like a medium size, but I want to have something slightly bigger than this jacket, for example. Oh my god, we've got the pads on the shoulders. I want to have definitely wider shoulders than this. We have to try. It's not huge, it is not oversized. I think it's gonna be perfect. It is a beautiful lamp leather, and I have to say that I have a perfect blazer from Ralph Lauren, but in brown color. I'm looking for something black, but anyway, I regret a bit that I didn't bought this blazer because gone really quick, just next hour it was like sold out, and well, so I think okay, so I'll buy this. So I think we have this sleeves a bit shorter. I'm not sure if I like it. Always I can send it back, that's not a problem. Let's try it on. I don't know if I should keep these gloves or take them off. Maybe first I will try without the gloves, just because I wanna check these sleeves, if they will be definitely too short or not. I have to say that the leather, it is very cool. It is a lamp leather, and it is so soft and smooth, so I'm so happy about it. Do we have any tag inside? Yes, inside we've got some informations. It is Vince. It is a polyester of lining and 100% lamp leather. Made in China, size US 8. So shouldn't be that expensive, like for made in China. Okay, sleeves are definitely short. Maybe they could be like this. I don't know. There is no... Whoa! I've got gloves. So this blazer, it is perfect for ladies who are wearing gloves. It is incredible. Gloves. Gloves. Without the gloves, it looks definitely wrong. Maybe if you will wear any nice bracelets, just so much must going on the wrist when you have a shorter sleeves like this. It is okay for the spring, but it is definitely not elegant blazer. This blazer, it is very casual, and I'm not sure if I like it. Let me know. I think that the size 8 it is okay because I like the shoulders. They are definitely good. I really want to have something longer. I really wish to have a same blazer, exactly the same blazer like Zara, but real leather, and I could be happiest ever. But it is almost not possible to find it, so I'm not really sure. I changed the leggings for the matching with the top, so I think it is now visible the length of it, so not really impressive. It is like something it is missing with this blazer. There is nothing special about this. So I like it. It is nice regular blazer. If you are looking for something like this, then you should be happy with it. But I am not happy because it is not really cool like I'm looking for, and without the gloves definitely it is wrong because I don't really like this sleeve like this. If they want to make a sleeve shorter, it should be like this way, that just elbow, and then we have the buttons on the side. That could be 1/3 sleeve, not like 7/8. So I am disappointed. I've been so happy about this parcel and arrived today, and I was like, oh, screaming in the morning that I saw like it is out of delivery, and now I am not really happy about this. I'm not gonna keep it because I know I'm not gonna be wearing this blazer. Just I wish that could be that long, then should be perfect, but this way it is just in the middle of the hip. It makes your hip even bigger and your legs, so I have to make a return, unfortunately. So let me know your thoughts about this blazer. Maybe you like it and maybe I should keep it. I will be waiting for your comments like always. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and see you soon in the next video. Bye.